Hi guys, I am back to film a what's my purse video. I just wanted to show you guys what I keep in my purse, you know, my organization. I don't know. I just wanted to film this video, so the bag that I have is this black Michael Kors tote bag, and it's just black with it's like grayish, and then it's like MK all over it. And I absolutely love these style bags because they're very big and roomy, and especially for me going to high school, I keep my books and everything in there, so I don't have to, it's like all the weight is not on my hands, so that's good. I have two of these bags, that one and one in like the metallic gold color, but this is the one I'm actually using right now, so I just decided to show you guys what's in it. So to start off, not what's in it, but what's on it is this pink pocket bag from Bath and Body Works. It's pink, glittery, and the scent is Miss Owl Berry Swirl, and it smells really, really good. This EOS lip balm in, I think this is like the sherbet color, so it's pink, very moisturizing. And then I have this Revlon Just Bitten Kissable lipstick, which is on my lips right now. It's really cute. I love this color. I have chargers because in school my phone always dies, so I have to have this to charge my phones. Another lipstick. This is the Rimmel something, but I love the way these smell. It smells like cookie dough, like chocolate chip or vanilla. And then I have these, a girl's best friend. These are seriously lifesavers. I love them to death. Let me know if you want a video on these versus like pads or something. Like, I think I'll do it, but if you don't know what these are tampons for your menstrual cycle. Then moving down into the bigger parts, I have just my take home folder where I just keep a lot of junk. I just keep like homework and just that, it's just this folder where you just throw anything in basically for school. And then I have my calculator because it's bad enough that I'm a nerd, so why not? And I have two like perfumes because, you know, you always have to smell good at school. So I have this Polo Ralph Lauren. It's probably like the Sexy collection, and it smells really good, and it's really, really strong. And then I have this other like mini perfume. It is the Paris Hilton. It smells good, very strong. And then I would have my keys in here, my house keys, but I don't know where they are. And lastly, I'll just have my wallet. It's a Guess Black wallet, as you can see. Coins in here, then you just open it. And I'll just have money, just have some pens. I have a highlighter and a black pen. And then I think that's about it. And a bobby pin. Girls always need bobby pin to tame their hair. So guys, that was it. That was what is in my purse video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave in the comments down below what you thought or any videos you would like to see next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.